Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you a My DeFi Pet tutorial, how to start and play from scratch. And if you're completely new to My DeFi Pet and don't know anything about it, I'm just going to give you a very short and quick overview about it, and then I will talk about the steps you need to take in order to start, and then I will show you in-game how it looks like and how it works. So first off, My DeFi Pet is a DeFi game where you can earn cryptocurrency or DPET tokens. You can also collect, breed, level up different types of monsters or pets, and then you can sell them on the marketplace. You can buy other monsters and stuff like that. So basically it's a play to earn game that's getting more and more developed right now, and you can see lots of different things right here. Some of them aren't in the game right now as I'm recording this, but they are developing it right now, so they will come at some time. I'm not sure exactly when, no one knows, I think. So you can see collect, breed, evolve, season and events, you can battle, and there's also trading, ranking, and social features. So anyways, um, there's 5 steps to get started basically, and I will link to all the steps and tutorials in the description of this video. So hopefully you don't get too overwhelmed, because this requires some time and effort from you. I've made it as simple as I can right here, and with my videos that I will link to. So it will probably take you at least an hour or two in order to get the steps down and to actually be able to play the game. So if you're completely new to cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, as I said, this will require some time and effort. But you can see first step is to install Metamask. It's an extension, and you will create your basically decentralized finance wallet that you can send and receive funds to, and also to withdraw cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. Then you will have to add the Binance Smart Chain, which is the decentralized finance network, and you will have to register on the Binance exchange, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And all this is needed in order to get the DPET token, which is the in-game cryptocurrency you need to use in order to play the game. So stick with me and I will show you how the game looks like, what the game looks like, how it works. So if you go to mydefipet.com, you can see lifestyle-based pet game on blockchain. You can see the pets right here, and you can click on play now, and you will get to a place that looks like this, play.mydefipet.com, and you can see game on Cardia chain, on BSC chain. So I'm on BSC chain right here, and you can see game BSC chain, connect BSC wallet to buy, and please connect BSC wallet. So this is the place where you will have to click please connect to BSC wallet, and you will get some different alternatives. Metamask is the one that I've made a tutorial on how to install and set up and connect to Binance Smart Chain. So when you have the Metamask extension and the Binance Smart Chain set up inside your Metamask extension, then you can just connect right here, and the game will start loading and stuff like that. You will get an account right here as well. So I will show you how it looks like when the game is fully loaded and what it looks like in game. So you can see how it looks like when your wallet is connected. You can see my DPET tokens right here. So I have approximately 1.3 DPET tokens. I've bought more, but it's required to buy DPET tokens in order to get your first pet. And you can see right here, I have some cages, I have some farms, and I have one pet right now. And to get started, first off, you can go into my pets, and you will see right here that you don't have any pets, probably. And you can see I have one pet right now, and you can see shop right here. And you can see pets, cages, buildings. But if you stay inside pets, you can see egg right here. And to buy an egg, you will need 3 DPET tokens. And the price of a DPET token will change, obviously. I think right now it's approximately $6. So to buy one egg will cost approximately 18 US dollars right now, at least. We'll see how that changes. And if you follow all my tutorials, you will be able to see how to buy 3 DPET tokens, or to buy DPET tokens. You decide obviously how many DPET tokens you want to buy. And then you will have to click on this one to get started. And you will click on buy egg. Obviously, I won't have enough DPET tokens to actually buy an egg right now, so the transaction won't go through. And it will cost some BNB coins to pay the gas fees. I will just reject this right now. And then you will just hatch the egg. I can show you later in another video, probably a more extensive tutorial on how to play the game as well. I'm just showing you the basics on how to get started right now. But when you buy an egg, you'll get one pet, and you can basically level him up and stuff like that. So he's level 10 right now. You will earn some silver coins. At least for now, these silver coins and this pet doesn't earn me any real cryptocurrency. I will probably have to wait some time in order to earn some DPET tokens that I can sell for real money and earn real money from. I've leveled him up to 10, and right now it costs 3 DPET tokens to evolve him. And I need to pay these 3 DPET tokens in order to evolve him, and then actually buy another egg as well. And then I can start to breed my pets and get other eggs. So lots of different steps to take in game in order to breed and get other DeFi pets. You can see some stats right here and skills. It's not available. They will reveal skills soon, so this will be for the battles that they will introduce later. So these are probably the stats for battles. I'm not sure if they will get some adventure as well that you can go through in order to earn the pet tokens as well. So it won't cost you just 18 US dollars. As for now, at least, it won't just cost you 3 DPET tokens to do everything you need to get everything out of this game, if that makes sense. So you will have to invest more money than just the initial 3 DPET tokens if you want to explore and discover more of this game. So if you want to start playing My DeFi Pet, make sure that you have I'm not sure exactly how much, but make sure that you have enough money in order to spend on DPET tokens so you can evolve pets, so you can buy more eggs and stuff like that. And I will show you a bit about how the world looks like as for now, at least. So you can see I've added some farms that I can collect, and I will get these cans that I can feed my pets with. It's not necessary, but it's required in order to level up the pets. And I'm not sure what these gems are for. And you can see a bank right here where you will be able to stake DPET tokens later. Right here, staking center, just the information available. So stake your DPET here for great rewards. So basically you can earn DPET tokens and basically real money just for staking your DPET tokens. and they have a library, which I'm not sure about, contain all the lores in the DPET world. So that's probably just some role-playing stuff right there. Marketplace is a place where you will be able to sell your DeFi pets later and probably earn DPET tokens, maybe BNB coins. So basically, you will earn cryptocurrencies if you breed and get. You can get rare. You can get rare DeFi pets that you will be able to sell to other people that want to buy your rare DeFi pets, because they are basically NFTs, I think. And if you're completely new to NFTs, it's collectibles like, you know, Pokemon cards and stuff like that. So you'll probably be able to earn cryptocurrency or real money from your DeFi pets at a later stage. I'm not sure what main house is right now. Pet hotel, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it's a place where you can, you know, heal your pets at a later stage. Not right now, as it looks like. So you can see the happy forest as well up here, where you can breed pets. So you will need a couple of different pets. I think a male and a female would make sense. I'm not sure about that, but and you will pay with DPET tokens right here as well to breed other pets. So that's a brief overview about how the game looks like right now. It's probably a good start to just get the 3 DPET tokens and get your first DeFi pet and try to explore a bit of this game, maybe buy some farms and level up your pet and stuff like that. My next step is to evolve the pet I have already, and then get another pet and see if I can breed them and get new pets. I'm not sure exactly how many times I've said pets in this video, but hopefully this makes sense. It might seem a bit overwhelming and confusing right now, as this game is not fully developed right now, and I'm just getting started. And obviously, DeFi is pretty, you know, challenging to get into at first if you don't have Metamask installed, if you haven't made any transactions, you know, on any DeFi exchange. Maybe you don't have an account on Binance yet. So it requires patience, it requires work, effort, and time to get into this stuff. Hopefully it's worth everything, and hopefully you can earn good money from it. Obviously there are no guarantees. See this as an investment where you can lose all your money, where you can lose time and get nothing in return. But at the upside, you may be able to play this game and actually earn cryptocurrency and real money, and you might enjoy playing this game. So if you found any value in this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews, maybe other tutorials where I'm playing this game and, you know, showing you good tips or stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you around. Goodbye.